How to find Telegram ID by phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find Telegram ID by phone number. But before that, if you guys are new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is open up your phone app. After you're on your phone app, simply type in the number that you have and you want the Telegram of. Then you will need to add it to your contacts. Tap on Add Contact button on the top right and create a new contact. There you can just name it whatever you want. I'll just name it this and then tap on Done. Now you have just added the number to your contacts. So as you can see, I've just added this person to my contacts. Now, if this person has a Telegram, they will appear in my Telegram contacts as well. So head over to Telegram and head over to contacts. Now you can search for that contacts by typing in their name, and if they have a Telegram, they will appear here. And that's basically how you find Telegram ID by phone number, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.